Okay, now with the smaller repairs done over there, we have some bigger ones here, and this is, I think, the biggest one. There should be a piece here of plastic, and there should be a bolt going through that screws through the fender and the sill on the car, and it's broken, and we will do some repairs. So let's see how we're going to tackle this. So I think I'm gonna start with this easier one, and we cannot just put the glue. We need to put something as a reinforcement and help us, you know, to shape it into the form. And so what I have with me here is this aluminum net. It's very easy to bend, you know, it's soft, it's easy to form. And basically what we will do, we will cut a slightly bigger piece here. We will feather the plastic, and then we will lay the aluminum net, and then we will putty over with the glue, and then when everything dries out, we will do also from the other side, and we'll see if we put one layer or two, and it will be, I think, really good, really strong, as these turned out super strong. I mean, there's no play in it, nothing. It's really sturdy, really good. So yeah, I think this will be even stronger, and then we will do the same for the corner over there. So yeah, well, let's go ahead and do it. Few more layers of the glue, and this looks pretty good, pretty sturdy. Now all we have to do is just sand it, make it a little bit more nice, and yeah, we'll be done, so we can move on to the next repair. I have also finished up the other side skirt. Now all the fixing points are fixed. It's quite sturdy. It has a bit of flex, but it feels really sturdy, really nice. Anyways, looking good. It's maybe not pretty, but it's gonna be under the car, and it's gonna do the job. I think what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna spray these tabs with some black paint, so the gray glue doesn't stick out like a sore eye. Other than that, I need to still drill a couple of holes, make some of them larger, and I think the next step will be to put it on the car. However, I think it's going to be for the next episode. So thanks guys for watching. Consider subscribing if you enjoyed this video or it was useful in any way, and I'll see you next time with another one. Bye bye.